Motorhomes originally started as basic, adaptable vehicles that gave families the chance to enjoy short road trips together. However, as technology progressed, these homes on wheels evolved, becoming more luxurious and filled with modern amenities. Now, Tesla is setting a new standard with an innovative motorhome that goes far beyond the basics, offering high inside features, a sleek design, and an interior that some are comparing to a spaceship, all at an unexpectedly affordable price of around $15,000 to $16,000. How is this possible? What's inside the Tesla motorhome that's creating so much buzz? Are the features as impressive as they seem, especially at such a low price point for the RV market? Let's take a closer look at the details in today's video. How is the Tesla motorhome interior really spacious and multifunctional enough to feel like a spaceship? The new Tesla motorhome is poised to change expectations for mobile living by drawing inspiration from one of the most luxurious RV models available today, the Demel motorhome. Brands like Demel have pushed the limits of motorhome design, prioritizing innovation and luxury. Known for its finely crafted details, Demel has made a name for itself by producing motorhomes that are as remarkable in functionality as they are in design. Their latest models are sleek and sophisticated, featuring a contemporary lounge area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a high-end bathroom, all wrapped in a refined color palette of whites, blacks, and bronze. The combination of ceramic, metal, and velvet textures gives these vehicles a futuristic look that has led many to call them spaceship-like. Tesla's upcoming motorhome, however, is not just a breakthrough in terms of design, it's also a game changer in terms of affordability. While high-expend motorhomes like the Demel can cost as much as $1.5 million, Tesla is offering a comparable luxury experience for just a fraction of the price. For an estimated cost of $15,000 to $166,000, the Tesla motorhome promises an unprecedented level of quality, space, and advanced features, making it an unbelievable offer in this market segment. This price is especially impressive considering Tesla's commitment to using premium materials and maximizing available space, matching the craftsmanship of the Demel model with an interior that offers a spacious layout of around 30 square meters. Tesla's approach is focused on creating a modern, multifunctional layout, seamlessly blending a large living area, bedroom, and fully equipped kitchen with high-end scent finishes, all within a reasonable price range. With its innovative design and exceptional use of space, Tesla is set to redefine RV travel, making luxury motorhome travel accessible to a much wider audience than before. Tesla's design aims to go beyond what has been traditionally offered, with a layout that is just as spacious, if not more so, than what we find in many highest-end models. With an interior length of about 12 to 14 meters and a width of 2.5 meters when extended, the Tesla motorhome offers a living area of approximately 30 square meters, large enough to make it feel like a true home on wheels. The living and sleeping areas are thoughtfully laid out to provide maximum comfort during long travels, enhanced by modern touch control systems and smooth glass panels that contribute to a minimalist and elegant atmosphere. In addition, soft closed storage compartments inspired by luxury vehicles are included throughout the vehicle, further contributing to the refined and practical design. By capturing the essence of Demel's sleek, highest-end design and adding its own innovative touches, Tesla aims to offer a motorhome that's not just spacious and functional, but also impressively stylish, promising a level of comfort and sophistication that is rarely seen in the RV market today. The entryway of the Tesla motorhome is designed to make a bold statement, setting a high bar for both luxury and convenience. It features a 60/80 cm wide glass and chrome step, which ensures stability and a polished look when entering or exiting the vehicle. The main door itself is approximately 90 cm wide and comes with advanced security features, including fingerprint scanning and facial recognition, enabling seamless keyless entry. A built-in automatic insect screen adds a practical touch, delivering, along with inspectors when they arrive, a cleaner insect screen and a finger ready to open the vehicle and allowing air to flow freely through the space. When the door opens, a glass railing automatically rises, offering both elegance and safety at the same time. Inside the Tesla motorhome, the living room is designed to make the most of the available space, bringing the outdoors in with large windows that allow plenty of natural light to flood the area. A plush, high-end sofa can easily be transformed into a bed or lounge area, giving users the flexibility to adjust the space based on their needs. In the center of the room, a convertible coffee table can be adjusted between 60 and 80 cm in height, functioning as either a casual tea table or as a dining table for up to 4 people. A sizable skylight, about 1.5 to 5.8 inches, crowns the room, further enhancing the sense of openness by letting in sunlight during the day and providing a view of the stars at night. For entertainment, the motorhome is equipped with a Bose surround sound system offering theater-quality audio for an immersive experience. A short hallway leads to a well-performance bathroom, which includes a high-pressure rain shower, a 30-liter water heater, and a 1,000-liter water tank offering enough water for several days of comfortable travel without the need for constant refilling. Recently, the flooring and ceiling of the Tesla 2025 motorhome combine both practicality and luxury. The floors are made from waterproof, scratch-resistant materials, blending plush carpeting with premium ceramic tiles in high-traffic areas like the kitchen and bathroom. These transitions create a smooth aesthetic flow throughout the interior while ensuring durability and easy maintenance. The ceiling features an elegant light box design with adjustable LED panels, allowing the lighting to change both in color and intensity to suit the time of day or the mood. LED strip lighting around the ceiling's curved edges adds a touch of Italian-inspired elegance, transforming the interior into a warm and inviting space. Now, with these details, the Tesla motorhome becomes more than just a vehicle. It's an elegant, functional, and comfortable mobile living environment that prioritizes both aesthetic appeal and practicality. The cockpit of the Tesla motorhome combines the luxurious comfort of a high-end CUV with advanced technology that makes it feel like driving a futuristic spacecraft. The driver's seat, wrapped in premium leather, is fully adjustable in 16 directions and comes with built-in massage, heating, and cooling functions to ensure maximum comfort during long journeys. The center of the control center is a 15-inch touchscreen, which centralizes all vehicle functions from entertainment and GPS navigation to energy management, creating a streamlined, user-friendly interface. In place of traditional side mirrors, digital rear-view cameras display a wider view on interior screens, improving both safety and the modern look of the vehicle. These cutting-edge features transform the driving experience, making it feel as though the Tesla motorhome is the ideal mix of luxury SUV and high-tech spacecraft, designed for ease of use and enjoyment on the road. The kitchen in Tesla's 2025 motorhome is perfectly equipped to meet the culinary needs of travelers. It features premium appliances from renowned brands like Miele, which elevate the cooking experience. Included are a 20-bottle wine refrigerator, a convection oven, and an integrated stovetop with an overhead ventilation system, eliminating the need for bulky exhaust hoods. The elegantly curved black wood panels, highlighted with luxurious bronze tones, create a cozy yet stylish atmosphere, while spacious cabinets with automatic drawers provide convenient and organized storage for utensils and supplies. The heat-resistant countertops are not only easy to clean, but are also built for durability, ensuring efficiency during meal prep. With this modern kitchen, the Tesla motorhome transcends its role as a mere travel vehicle and becomes a luxurious living space that blends the comforts of home with the functionality needed for extended road trips. Stepping into the bedroom of the Tesla motorhome reveals a spacious retreat designed for ultimate relaxation. The king-size bed, measuring 2 meters by 2 meters, comes with a high-quality mattress, ensuring a restful night's sleep akin to home comfort. Soft, ambient lighting, combined with heated ceilings and skylights, creates a cozy atmosphere suitable for any weather. Two large automatic windows frame the picturesque views, allowing occupants to enjoy the scenery directly from their bed. Positioned across from the bed, a 55-inch television, paired with a high-end sound system, offers entertainment for relaxing evenings. The softly padded ceiling further enhances the feeling of warmth and luxury, making the bedroom a sanctuary for travelers seeking comfort during their adventures. The bathroom in Tesla's 2025 motorhome, though compact, is packed with high-end amenities designed for both comfort and convenience. The toilet features a heating function and automatic cleaning capabilities, ensuring a hygienic experience. A heated towel rack provides warmth after a shower, while the rainfall shower head offers a luxurious bathing experience. Thoughtful details like mirror shelves, hanging hooks, and a fully waterproof design ensure that the bathroom remains practical and user-friendly even during extended journeys. This compact yet sophisticated bathroom exemplifies Tesla's commitment to providing a comprehensive living experience on the road. The garage space in the Tesla Motorhome offers excellent versatility, taking inspiration from the Demel Motorhomes design. The garage is spacious enough to accommodate a small vehicle, such as a compact electric car like the Tesla Model 2, or a foldable bike, allowing travelers to explore areas that might not be accessible with a larger motorhome. The garage is equipped with an integrated EV charger so users can charge their electric vehicles while on the go or parked at rest stops, promoting greater independence during travels. In addition to this, the garage features a washer and dryer, providing convenient laundry solutions while on the road. This premium offering makes Tesla's motorhome stand out from the competition, ensuring that users can maintain cleanliness and comfort throughout their journeys. Tesla's motorhome is equipped with an advanced underfloor heating system designed to create a living space that feels comfortable regardless of the external climate. The system ensures a consistent and warm temperature by automatically adjusting to changing conditions, allowing users to enjoy a comfortable environment throughout their travels. With user-friendly controls, occupants can easily set their preferred temperature while also optimizing energy efficiency. The motorhome's energy needs are met by solar panels on the roof, supplemented by a generator to guarantee uninterrupted access to power. This electric system powers everything from LED lighting and heating to cooking and entertainment devices, ensuring that Tesla's motorhome is both self-sufficient and sustainable. In conclusion, the 2025 Tesla Motorhome is set to revolutionize the RV market by combining luxury, functionality, and sustainability at an incredible price. With its spacious, multifunctional interior, advanced heating system, and energy-efficient features, it is poised to redefine mobile living for those who love adventure. What do you think of this innovative design? Would you consider taking a road trip in a Tesla Motorhome? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Autofusion, so you won't miss our latest updates on cutting-edge automotive innovations.